Welcome to a revolution built from steel and attitude. This is not just a Cadillac. This is CadZZilla, a wild American icon that flipped luxury on its head and told the future to keep up. CadZZilla was born in the late 80s when hot rod legend Boyd Coddington linked up with rock star Billy Gibbons from ZZ Top. The goal was simple and insane. Take a classic Cadillac and turn it into a rolling flex. The result looks fast even parked. The roof is chopped low, the body is stretched long, and every surface flows smooth like liquid metal. Hidden headlights, shave handles, and hand-built panels give it straight concept car energy that still hits hard today. Slide inside and the vibe is pure boss mode. No giant screens, no gimmicks, just custom gauges, rich leather, and clean design that keeps your focus locked in. It feels like a command center before tech cars were even a thing. This is old money luxury mixed with hot rod swagger. Pop the hood and things get serious. Power comes from a Corvette ZR1 LT5 V8 pushing around 450 horsepower. Back then, that was crazy. Even now, it still slaps. The engine hits with real attitude, sending power through a performance drivetrain that makes this Cadillac move way faster than it has any right to. A custom chassis, upgraded suspension, and big brakes mean it does not just go straight. It actually handles. Innovation was low-key baked in. Modern suspension geometry, reinforced structure, and serious stopping power turned a classic land yacht into a legit performance machine. CadZZilla was not built to remember the past. It was built to challenge it. The impact was instant. Car shows lost their minds. Magazines could not stop talking. And there is only one. You cannot buy it. You cannot clone it. There is no price tag that makes another appear. That rarity is the real flex. CadZZilla is not just the wildest Cadillac ever built. It is proof that American luxury can be fearless, loud, and different. It is attitude on wheels, frozen in time, still daring the world to try and top it. Subscribe to Future Car for more cinematic stories about the machines shaping tomorrow today. What part of CadZZilla impressed you most? Drop it in the comments. Smash that like button if raw American creativity still gets you hyped.